Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to tell you all about the BQCC 1Din/2Din octa-core Android 13 car player. The BQCC Android 13 car player is a versatile and powerful multimedia solution designed for modern drivers seeking convenience, connectivity, and control in a stylish package. Available in various screen sizes, it offers compatibility for various dashboards and vehicle types, making it a great choice for upgrading an older or non-OEM infotainment system. The operating system is Android 13 with a quad-core A7 1.3 GHz CPU, 1 GB RAM, and 32 GB ROM. The device supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, and has built-in support for GPS, AGPS, and GLONASS for accurate location tracking. It supports audio and video formats, including MP3, WMA, WAV, AP, FLA, AZ, OGG, RM, MPEG, AVI, RM, FLV, WME, MP4, MK, RMVB, VOB, and more. Smart features include a capacitive touchscreen, CarPlay, Android Auto, mirror link support, split screen function, voice control, steering wheel control support, built-in microphone speaker, and a remote controller. Inputs and outputs include USB cables, power cable, RCA cables, and a built-in microphone and speaker. The display and interface have a resolution of 1024 by 600 and is made of ABS metal for durability and a sleek finish. The device supports multiple languages and has a 12-volt operating voltage. It weighs 1.4 kilograms and comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. The BQCC Android 13 car player is designed for universal compatibility, making it suitable for most car models worldwide. Thanks for watching. Check out the video description for updated price.